Hello everyone, I'm Shahid from SMA Vlog. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show how to prepare beef tehari, which is my favorite food. I'm going to use my recently purchased instant pot to prepare this food. So be with me, I will show you everything right now in this video. I hope you will enjoy it. So guys, since I purchased this instant pot, I prepared this beef tehari multiple times. Using the instant pot, preparing this beef tehari is very easy and very quick. And the beef tehari that I am going to prepare now is going to be very tasty and it's awesome. So let's go for it. Basically, preparing beef tehari is very easy. There are lots of different ways how you can prepare this beef tehari. My intention is to prepare this beef tehari as easily as possible, and also I'm not going to compromise with the taste. So basically what I do is I always rely on whatever ingredients I have at my home. So I will use all those available ingredients to prepare my beef tehari. Sometimes I do not use some specific spices, which is kind of essential, we believe, but whatever I find in my kitchen available, so I basically use those spices to prepare my food. Today I will use all those ingredients, whatever right now I have. For preparing the beef tehari, we need some beef, and then we need some onion, some chili, some raisin. This is a special mixture of cinnamon and cardamom, and I used a special hand blender to mix those ingredients. You can use any way to blend these two ingredients together, and I also added some water. And this is ginger and garlic. I put 4 pieces of garlic, 1 big piece of ginger. I just cut it into small pieces and blended it with the hand blender. I took some garlic powder and also some ginger powder, and also we need some salt, and that's it. And the main ingredient is the beef. I took 1.5 pound of beef, and there is no bone in it. It's just a bit with a little bit of fat. So that's it. It's a boneless beef. I'm gonna add 5 pots of rice at the end to prepare this beef tehari. Now I'm going to start the cooking process of this beef tehari, and I will show you all the process step by step how we can cook this beef tehari so easily in the instant pot. Now first of all, I need to power it up. Okay, I will press the satay button. It will now heat up, so it says on. Now this pan will heat up. Now I'm going to add some oil in it. Now I can see this oil is getting hot, so I have to wait a little bit. As I see now, my oil is getting ready. It's heating up. My oil is ready, so I'm going to add all these onions. So here we just need to focus on that the onion should not be burned out. We need to stir it as much as possible so that the onions will be cooked properly. I prepared this beef tehari a couple of times and it was really tasty. But one thing I need to tell that it's very important to put some special care when you make your beef, because sometimes there is a chance if you do not give proper attention, the beef could remain uncooked. So you just need to keep focus on cooking the beef properly. At this point I want to add a little bit of more cooking oil. So in total to prepare this beef tehari you will need around 2 cups of cooking oil. So far I put 1.5 cup, and maybe later on I need to put little bit more. If you burn out this onion, the beef tehari will not taste good. Now at this point I want to add half tablespoon of garlic powder, and half tablespoon of ginger powder, and that's it. And also this cinnamon and cardamom mix. We're gonna add this. At this point, add some salt. I always put salt based on the amount of meat. So as I have 1.5 pound of meat, so I'll put 1.5 spoon of salt. We can taste it later, and if we need salt, we can add it later. So as you see, it's almost cooked. At this point, I'm going to stop this and add all the beefs in it. It got a nice look. I have to add some chili at this point. Some water will automatically come out of beef, so that's all. I'm not going to add any water. This instant pot is in off position. Now I'm gonna close the lid. Okay, so very important thing is this pressure release button. I'm going to put this pressure release button in the close position. Now I'm going to press the meat button, which will take 35 minutes, and that's it. I don't need to do anything. After 35 minutes it will beep again, then we will continue our process of cooking. Within 35 minutes and the beef will be done. Now I have to prepare the rice. Now I'm taking the rice and I need to wash it couple of times. So at this point, when I feel that my washing is done, I will put some hot water. I fill up this bowl with the rice and I put the rice in the hot water and I will leave it here for next at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I want to show that the lid become automatically locked and the pressure is high right now, and the countdown started from 35 and it will go till 0. So I have to wait now, nothing to do. That's it. So basically beef tehari is one of my favorite dishes, and this will be very tasty and a little bit oily as well. Especially in Bangladesh, different types of beef tehari is available. So basically what I mean by different types is that in different location they make this beef tehari in a little bit different way, but let's try my way and let's see how it tastes. So now I'm waiting for the beef to be cooked. So as I pressed the meat button, we saw it started its countdown for 35 minutes, but as you see that our meat is only 1.5 pound, so basically this 35 minutes is required if you put the meat for to the maximum level, but we put only 1.5 pound. So I'm going to stop this cooker after cooking 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna release the pressure now. So when you release the pressure, you just make sure you cover it up, so it will give you the safety and the steam will not harm you. So just cover it with anything like the oven cover. Now I'm going to open this lid. The beef is cooked properly and some oil is on the top, so it means it's perfectly done. Now we will add the rice in it. So now I'm going to add this rice inside this meat. So guys, as you remember that we put 5 cups of rice, so we have to put 5 cups of water inside. This is the universal measurement of water for cooking the rice in the instant pot. We have to stir it properly. After stirring, we have to add our final ingredient. This is the ginger and garlic paste or mix, whatever you say. I used the hand blender to blend this together. and I will add the chilies and some raisin, and I believe I need to add some salt. That's good. So that's everything, guys. Now we will close the lid again. And put this pressure release button into lock position. So now at this point we will press the rice button. It will take only 12 minutes to cook the rice after the pressure is full. See, now it says auto, and it means we don't need to do anything. So basically all done. I pressed the rice button. Now I have to wait for 12 minutes. Now it is showing low 08. It means the 12 minutes is over, and after that it is now in low temperature, just keeping the heat. It says, it's saying keep warm, so it is just keeping the heat. And now we are ready. Anytime we can open this lid and find our beef tehari. So guys, we are now ready. We will now release the pressure and then go for opening the beef tehari. Alright, now the pressure is being released. Now we are ready to open this lid. Wow, look at this, so amazing. Look at this. So guys, this is our beef tehari. So basically you need to put beef more than 50% of your rice, so that it will be very beefy and taste will be so nice. Now I will taste it. Oh wow, it's amazing. So guys, it's so tasty. I'll try the beef now. It's perfectly cooked. So guys, I want to say that don't restrict yourself or don't hold yourself from cooking a dish that you like to eat so much because of maybe you don't have one or two ingredients, one or two spices. If you don't have something, try to use your common sense and your brain to how to subsidize that specific spices or specific ingredient. So what I mean that in order to add flavor in this beef tehari, you can put some jayatri, some joyful. These are the Bengali names of those ingredients which will give some extra flavor in this beef tehari. But unfortunately right now today I didn't have it, so I didn't put this. So if you want to make this more tasty, you can put it, but it doesn't mean that if you don't put those two ingredients it will not become beef tehari. Definitely it will become beef tehari. Other than that, you also can add some milk in the rice. Beside that, you can add some yogurt in the beef. So I had milk, I had yogurt, but I purposely didn't put those things because I wanted to make it simple and tasty too. It is so tasty. Wow, so tasty. So guys, we will now eat and enjoy our food. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you will understand what I want to say, that you try to cook your food with whatever ingredient you have. So this is my message today. Make your dish and enjoy it. So guys, I hope you learned how to prepare this beef tehari. Make it and enjoy it with your family. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So till then, have fun and have good time. Bye bye.